Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bracelet making kit string is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools available for anyone looking to express their unique style or craft personalized gifts, offering a fantastic way to dive into the world of jewelry making with a wide array of colors, textures, and materials that allow for endless design possibilities, from delicate, minimalist pieces to bold, statement accessories, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced crafters seeking to elevate their handmade creations. Number 5. 50 Skeins Rainbow Color Friendship Bracelet String. Unleash your creativity with 50 vivid rainbow colors. These vibrant and engaging shades are perfect for any project you can imagine. Crafted from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, each strand is 8.75 yards long with 6 strings. Enjoy a smooth and durable crafting experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This embroidery kit set is an ideal present for your family or friends who love to create. These rainbow color strings are perfect for making friendship bracelets, arts and crafts, cross-stitch, and more. They are a great choice for beginners. We are here to help. Enjoy our 24/7 customer support for any questions or assistance you may need. What we like? This set offers an incredible 50 vibrant rainbow colors, ensuring you have every shade imaginable for your projects. It's made from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, providing a soft yet durable thread. If you're looking for a vast color selection for general crafting or making numerous friendship bracelets, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bracelet making kit string is very durable and strong, perfect for creating lasting jewelry. It comes with a wide variety of colors and thicknesses, allowing for diverse bracelet designs. The string is easy to knot and work with, making the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Number 4. Friendship Bracelet Making Kit, Yellow Pineapple. This complete kit has everything you need to begin making friendship bracelets. It includes pre-cut threads, a built-in clip, and a storage drawer, making it perfect for crafting anywhere. Specially designed for young crafters aged 8 and older, this kit features an easy-to-follow layout. It helps guide each design, building confidence and coordination with every knot. Making bracelets is a fun way to express yourself and connect with others. You can create up to 8 vibrant bracelets to wear, trade, or gift. Invented by a father inspired by his daughter, this kit has been trusted by families for over 10 years. It's designed to inspire meaningful connections through creativity. Choose from 4 vibrant colors to match your style. This kit makes a thoughtful gift for kids and a creative present for girls aged 8 and up. What we like? This kit is designed for convenience with 20 pre-cut threads and a portable loom that includes storage, making it perfect for travel or sleepovers. It's specifically made for kids aged 8 and up, with an intuitive design to guide young crafters. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for a child's first bracelet making experience, this is the one. What people say. This bracelet making kit string is perfect for creating custom jewelry. The string is durable and easy to work with, making it ideal for all skill levels. It comes with a variety of colors and sizes, offering endless design possibilities. Number 3. 188 Embroidery Floss Set with Cross-Stitch Kits. Unleash your creativity with this extensive set of embroidery floss. It features a stunning array of colors, including rainbow hues, classic black and white, and even metallic and gradient options to bring your projects to life. Each thread comes neatly wrapped around a bobbin, clearly marked with a color number for effortless selection. This thoughtful organization ensures you can quickly find the perfect shade for any part of your project. Crafted for durability and beauty, these threads are made from the finest cotton. They are soft, boast high tensile strength, and are resistant to fading, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. The floss is composed of 6 easily separable strands, allowing you to adjust the thickness for various crafting needs. Use them individually or combine multiple strands for different sewing projects. Get started on your cross-stitch journey immediately with the included tools. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need, from needles and threaders to scissors and a seam ripper. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this set encourages imaginative crafting. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, knitting, sewing, or creating tassels, the possibilities are limitless. We are here to help. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24/7 customer support, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. What we like? This comprehensive set includes 80 cotton threads in various colors, including gradient and metallic options, all organized in a 2-tier transparent box. It also comes with essential tools like needles, scissors, and a seam ripper, making it a complete starter pack. If you desire a wide array of colors and all the necessary accessories for cross-stitch and bracelet making in one organized package, this set is ideal. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative customization. The string provided is durable and easy to work with, holding knots securely without fraying. The clasps and findings are of good quality and easy to attach, completing the bracelets professionally. Number 2. Friendship Bracelet Kit Embroidery Floss. This all-in-one kit comes in a compact box, making it easy to carry and perfect for crafting on the go. It includes 36 vibrant colors with 108 pre-wound threads on bobbins, ready for your creative projects. Find the perfect shade every time with our color-coded system. Each floss is clearly labeled with embroidery thread numbers, featuring a beautiful range of luscious, vibrant, pastel, and darker colors for any project. Experience the ease of crafting with our thick and durable strands. They separate quickly and effortlessly, allowing for faster and more enjoyable threading. This versatile thread is perfect for a wide array of crafts. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, jewelry, embroidery, cross-stitch, or other DIY projects, it's the ideal choice. Craft with confidence using our high-quality, 100% cotton embroidery floss. This kit offers the best value for all your needlework and crafting needs, making it a fantastic gift for DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This kit stands out with 108 threads pre-wound onto bobbins, saving you significant prep time. The threads are color-coded with embroidery numbers for easy identification and are thick and durable, making them easy to separate and work with. If you value efficiency and ease of use, especially for detailed projects or if you dislike winding bobbins, this kit is a great option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colorful beads and charms, allowing for creative and personalized bracelet designs. The string provided is durable and easy to work with, holding knots securely without fraying. Comes with a convenient storage case to keep all the components organized and accessible. Number 1. Paxcoo Elastic Bracelet String Cord. Introducing our elastic bracelet string, perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's designed to be incredibly flexible, making it easy to thread through beads of any size and material. Tying knots is a breeze with this cord. It holds securely, ensuring your creations stay intact, and the knots are small enough to be hidden discreetly among your beads. Crafted from a sturdy blend of polyester and spandex, this cord offers a beautiful crystal-like appearance. Its strength ensures durability for all your beading projects. Whether you're working with seed beads, gemstones, or glass, this elastic cord is the ideal choice. It's perfect for bracelets, necklaces, and various other jewelry crafts. Each roll provides 100 meters, 328 feet, of high-quality elastic cord. This generous amount is perfect for multiple projects, from bracelets to necklaces and beyond. This versatile cord is an essential for any jewelry maker. It's suitable for a wide range of art and craft projects, offering reliability and beauty. What we like. This product is an elastic stretch cord, perfect for jewelry making where flexibility is key. It's easy to tie knots that are strong yet small enough to hide within beads, and it has a beautiful crystal clear appearance. If you are focusing on making stretchy bracelets, necklaces, or other jewelry pieces that require a durable yet unobtrusive cord, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for diverse bracelet designs. The string provided is durable and easy to work with, holding knots securely without fraying. Comes with a convenient storage case to keep all the components organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.